Hi everyone, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And I'm here with day 21 for the weekly devotional. And this is March 30th. Let's get this reading done. It says, He is water of life. The steady flow of a waterfall cascading down and clapping onto a landing can be mesmerizing. There are big ones like Niagara Falls with such force it's hard to comprehend the amount of power and speed within the rushing floods. Others are small trickles that one pop out of stone walls only to vanish right back into the earth, leaving only a faint and soothing sound. Whether powerful or peaceful, they are beautiful reminders that God created an exquisite place for us to dwell. They represent life and cleansing, renewal, and grace. The splendor they create are customized gifts to delight our hearts. They are only one of many parts of nature God gave us to enjoy and draw refreshment and draw refreshment for our souls. He's Isn't he good? Yes, he is. And today's prayer is, thank you, Lord, for the beauty of your creation. When I gaze on the work of your hands, my soul feels free from the burdens of this world and at one with you. I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please hit the subscribe button and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Please be blessed, be kind, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.